This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Bay Plus Mountain View Birch Bay Village home now available for under $600,000. Welcome to Niska Road. Light and bright open concept floor plan features kitchen with SS appliances plus granite counters, vaulted ceilings, skylights, hardwood and laminate flooring. Primary suite includes a spacious ensuite bathroom with updated tile shower and walk-in closet. 400 square feet deck wraparound west/southern exposure is the ideal space for entertaining, gardening or relaxing. Attached 2-car garage, room for RV or boat parking plus storage/potting shed. Unrivaled Birch Bay Village amenities include marina, beaches, golf course, outdoor pool, tennis courts, clubhouse and 24-hour security gate. Cruise over to check out the beach berm and enjoy all that Birch Bay has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.